Hey everybody, this is for the Physical Science Semester A Unit 1 test. I want you to spend a minute thinking about how much time did you spend studying for this test? And you can include any time you spent looking over your notes and preparing for it beforehand, like after class, what did you do to prepare to make sure you understood the material. Did you go in and read the textbook or watch extra help videos? That can all be lumped into your time you spent preparing for the test. So think about some study tips you've heard about and some helps that other people have suggested to you. Did you try them? I also wanted to point out to you that there is some study helps for you. There's a Quizlet and a word wall. Both of those are found in your course material to help you study. Both of them are great sources. One is more like a game and the other one is some information that you can use to review and check your understanding. The last thing before we go through the test information is think about right now one thing that you would do differently next time. Is it spending more time taking the test? Is it writing down notes more? Is it reading the questions out loud to yourself so that you can hear all the words? I don't know what it is. You think about what you would do differently next time. All right, so what I would like you to do is answer some questions. We're going to practice and review. I'll give you a chance to answer some questions through fill in the blank of what energy is and what physical science is. Okay, so we talked about the metric units. What unit is used for mass? What unit is used for distance? What unit is used for time? What unit is used for temperature? What unit is used for volume? Next is the idea of quantity it measures. What does liters measure? What does the gram measure? What does Celsius measure? What does meters measure? And what about seconds? Notice there's some hints here on the page. The Celsius temperature scale is based on the boiling and freezing point of water. Spring scales measure mass. And when we are trying to calculate the volume of a gas, we use a container. That's worded wrong on that slide. Apologize for that. All right, which is a phase change? Which is a phase change? If there's more than one, what is it? Can you list the order of the scientific method? What are those steps? Tell me a little bit more about the hypothesis. What do we need to know about a hypothesis? Where does it come? What step does a hypothesis come after or before? What is an independent variable? What is a dependent variable? All right, so let's check out our understanding. Which is the best choice? Which variable is changed by a person conducting the experiment? A, independent variable. B, dependent variable. C, unsure. Which variable is what we're looking for changes in for the result of our experiment? A, independent variable. B, dependent variable. C, unsure. In this example, which one is the independent variable? In this graph, which one is the independent variable? In this situation, which one is the dependent variable? Okay, and you can use this to help you. There's the graph that you made. Which one is changing and why? So when you go back, what are we changing? What are we measuring? So that will help you determine which one is the dependent variable. Okay, if you still need help on something, please make sure to ask during a class session so that we can clear up anything that questions you have. You can also watch all of the old recordings or go through the PowerPoints in the class material to help you out. If there's anything beyond that, just send me an email and I will help you with that. So please, what I want you to do is study, 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 review this information. When you're ready, go in and retake the test. Have a great day.